it's Gina with WTI. Do you need to install a pet door? We have our sweet baby kitty Scully out in our warehouse, and we needed a cat door so that she could come and go freely. We got this one from PetSafe because the dimensions were perfect for the outside door that we actually fabricated ourselves. My husband put this together just following the manufacturer's instructions. You will need some kind of saw, a power tool to install the screws, and definitely recommend like a level if you care that it's straight. Our kitten has never used a pet door before, so I did follow the instructions to get it taped in place to begin with and use toys to get her to jump in and out of it. And then when she got used to that, I went ahead and went out with her and let the door kind of touch her back as she jumped in and out. And in an afternoon, she got used to it. So after that, we took the tape off and it was good to go. This is an extremely durable door, and if you need it, it does have a 4-way locking system, although we just keep it open for our cat to go in and out. This is a really cost-effective, smart buy. I can see why it's a popular item on Amazon. We love it too, and I think you will. And that's my point of view.